Finally, I would like to show you a few things that you want to always do when you're writing homework on a computer for any academic class at Lakeland College, Japan. The first thing that you're going to want to do is put your name and the page number at the top of every page. This is done by using something called the header. You can activate the header by moving your cursor to the top of the page. This should be above the blinking cursor. If you put your cursor at the top of the page and then double-click, the header should appear. There's the header. Make sure that you click twice quickly. Do not do click, click, but instead do it more quickly. Click, click. You'll see that a new tab has appeared, Header and Footer Tools. This will allow you to add the page number. If you go to the top left area of this tab, you'll see that there is a button here for page number. If you click on that button, you'll see that you have many choices, top, bottom of page, or other positions, but you'll want to use the top of page, and you'll want to use what's called plain number 3. This is the third choice in this menu. When you click on it, a page number will appear at the top right of the page. This page number will change automatically on every page. Notice that the cursor is blinking before the number. Now you can write your surname. For example, if your name is Taro Suzuki, you would want to write Suzuki and then put a space after your name, and then the page number will follow. After you're finished doing this, you can double-click in the main page area. This will close the header. Again, make sure to double-click quickly. Now you can see that the header is at the top of the page. And when you make a second page, you'll notice that your name and the page number now appear at the top, but the page number has changed to the new number. This number will only change if you add the page number in the way that I showed you. That's the first thing that you should do when you're making any kind of homework in Microsoft Word for an academic class at Lakeland College, Japan. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to put your main information at the top left side of the page. For example, if your name is Taro Suzuki, you will want to type that at the top the top left of the page. On the next line, you'll want to write the name of your class's professor, in this case, Professor Pozo. Now, on the third line, you would normally write the name of the class, in this case, Writing Workshop. If your class has more than one section, you would probably want to write the section number. However, in my class, I would like to ask you to do it a little bit differently. Instead of writing the name of the class, I would like you to write the name of the assignment. For example, Animal Paragraph. Or, for example, Essay Number 1 Outline. This is different from what MLA asks for, but sometimes teachers will do that. Some teachers will prefer you to put this information a little bit differently, like I've just asked you to. Now the fourth line will be the date. You could type this normally. You could type it as May 30, 2011. Another way is to put the day first and to have no comma. For example, 30 May 2011. Finally, you might want to insert the date automatically. In order to do this, you'll want to go to the Insert tab at the top of the page. When you click on Insert, there should be something over on the right-hand side which allows you to insert date and time. Now, on my computer screen, it appears only as a small button, but that's because my window is very small. This might appear as a larger button with a title on your computer. When I click that, I'll get a dialog box. This allows me to add the date and the time. Here, I can choose the format. I'll choose to have the day, month, and automatically box is checked, and then click OK. When you do that, you should see that the date appears correctly on the page. This date will automatically change to any date it is when you open up the document next. So if I close this and then open up the same document tomorrow, it will say 28 May 2011. The next thing you may want to write is the title. For example, the title of the assignment. Make sure you use title case. And then, after you go to the next line, you will want to select this line and then change the alignment to center. Then you can go back down to the next line and begin writing your assignment. There are more things that you'll have to do for correct MLA formatting of your essays and other work in this class. But these are a few of the basic points that I would like you to know and to use from this time. Thank you.